We're gonna start with chain of 14. Join in the first chain with slip stitch and make another chain of 14. Join in the first chain with slip stitch. Now make chain of 2 and 7 half double crochets in the first loop. Now make 6 single crochets. Seven half double crochets. Seven half double crochets in the second loop. Six single crochets. And 7 half double crochets. Join with slip stitch with chain of 2. Now fasten off the yarn. Turn it around and join the yarn in 4th half double crochet of the right loop. Make chain of 5. And join it in the 4th half double crochet of the left loop with slip stitch. Make chain of 2. Join it with the slip stitch in the 2nd stitch from the hook. Turn your work around. Make another 8 half double crochets in the chain 5 space. Join with slip stitch in 2nd stitch from the hook. Slip stitch in the next stitch and turn it around. Make single crochet in the last half double crochet of the previous row. Chain 1. 1 half double crochet in the next half double crochet of the previous row. 1 chain. Double crochet in the next half double crochet of the previous row. Chain 1. Treble crochet in the next half double crochet of the previous row. chain 1, treble crochet in the next half double crochet of the previous row, chain 1, and one more treble crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet, chain 1, and single crochet, and join it with a slip stitch in the next stitch. Make a slip stitch in the next stitch, turn it around, and make one single crochet in the last stitch of the previous row, one single crochet in one single crochet, 3 single crochets in each chain space. So I'm making 3 single crochets in each chain space of the previous row. So we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 3 single crochets, then 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 single crochet in the last stitch, and we join it with a slip stitch in the next stitch, and we fasten up the yarn. Now we're gonna count 10 stitches on the right loop, and we're gonna join the hook in the 10th stitch. Join the yarn, make chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet increase, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, 1 double crochet, treble crochet increase, 1 treble crochet, 1 double treble crochet, another double treble crochet in the middle, another double treble crochet in the first stitch of the left loop, 1 treble crochet, 1 treble crochet increase, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet increase, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet, and join it with a slip stitch in the next stitch, and fasten off the yarn. Cut it long enough so I can straight away attach it with the same tail to the piece that I want to attach it to. And this is our skull.